Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create strip pattern background design in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. You can use pen tool to draw strip shapes. Go to Effect menu and Stylize and Round Corners. Radius 100 point. Draw a line. Draw a line with Alt key for duplicate line shape. Ctrl D for repeat duplicate line shape. You can give different stroke colors. Stroke weight 4 point. Group Ctrl G. Select lines and drag into brushes panel to make custom brush. Select Art Brush. Select all line shapes and apply custom brush. Stroke weight 2 point. Draw a horizontal shape. Select shapes and right click and make clipping mask. Finally, your strip abstract background design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's an easy way to create abstract pattern background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.